And we are back, Glam Fan. Let's go ahead and finish off this look by reviewing these mini lip stains by B.Color. You have the red and it looks like a purple-ish. Let's go ahead and try these out. So I think we're just gonna go ahead and go with the red. Maybe the purple. What do you think? We'll just do the red. And you can see how it's like oil almost. That's what it kind of looks like in the tube. It's not like lip gloss, it's like an oil. And you can see here, it kind of looks like a pinkish orange. So let's go ahead and try it out. Now, I personally have never tried a lip stain before, and I've been wanting to, and I found these hidden in the dollar store. I mean, they were hidden. So I'm pretty excited about this. So all I'm doing is reading the directions, which I'll read to you right now. It says, apply light layers to lips until desired color is reached. To remove with ease, use an oil-based makeup remover. If you do not have a makeup remover, you can use a Vaseline, cold cream, or olive oil. Now, while applying this, it's easy to apply, really easy. Now, it feels really cold when you put it on, and it dries really quickly. But I've noticed that if you just keep layering, since it looks pink here, it'll gradually get darker. I've tried this even after this video a couple times, and if you do have chapped lips, it will attach itself more to that area and make it darker than what you want. So you do have to watch out for that. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe, comment, share, hit that bell all the time to support your girl. Now, I noticed that it's having a harder time attaching and staining the top lip, and I don't know why. I didn't have anything on them. I'm not sure. Maybe in the comments you can tell me if you've ever tried any lip stains and had an issue like this. I would love to know. I did try the other color a couple days after this. Let me tell you, it is so pretty. This came out more of this really bright red or pinky color, which doesn't really go with this look, but the purple one would have been so pretty. It's not like this really bright purple, it's a beautiful color. I'm just drying it off a little bit, but I would recommend putting maybe a lip liner with these. It might make them pop a little bit more, but in a more subtle way, because this is such a bright color. I really do like it, and I wore this the majority of the day, and it does stay. It stays very well. So you can see here the top lip is lighter than the bottom. Don't know why, but that's okay. So let's test this. There's no transfer. I am shocked on how good this is for $1.25. I'm in love with this. What do you guys think? I mean, I'm blown away. And that is the mini lip stains by B.Color. I would give this around a 7.5 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next one.